Talkative brings all of your customer interactions into Microsoft Dynamics from your website and social media channels. Our customer engagement widget lets you offer video chats, live chats, chatbot interactions, all of this in a completely customizable display that can trigger based on customer behavior on your website or in your app. We can offer different channels such as video, chat, and WhatsApp. And if we start a video chat and collect the customer information in a pre-chat form, this then routes into Microsoft Dynamics, where the agent can pick up the interaction and we can speak to the customer through the site and handle this in Dynamics. The customer and the agent can both turn their microphone on and off, and we can have a fully two-way conversation and even screen share with the customer. We're able to send links throughout the chat. The agent can even co-browse to see exactly where the customer is on the website and talk them through making a product purchase and highlight things on the page. So we can say this is where you sign in and your cart is up here if you'd like to add or remove items to your basket. This is obviously all embedded into Dynamics, so we can store all this information in Microsoft, but also pull out customer records and trigger workflows based on the customer details we've collected up front. So we get that single view of the customer for the agent, but also on a historical basis, this information can all be tracked. And we can even leave feedback from the customer. So we can collect information at the end of the interaction to get this survey data across different digital channels. And the same inbox in Dynamics is where we're going to be accepting web chats and social media interactions as well. So if we quickly start a chat, we can pick up this second interaction. In this case, we don't understand the language the customer is using, so we can use real-time translate. And we can respond with either free text input or with canned messages. And this is translated back out to the customer side. We have some workflow messages that can trigger after a certain amount of time. And we have customer message preview to show the agent what the customer is typing in real time. As I'm typing out, this shows to the agent. And additionally, there's credit card masking. So if you have a PCI compliant website and the customer accidentally puts in their credit card information, not only is this masked on the customer message preview, but it's not stored in the transcript and it's not translated, and there's no way that is being saved to the server or being shown to the agent. Finally, Talkative gives you an easy way to modify the look and feel of this widget, so you can keep it on brand for your organization in this no-code editor, where you can modify every single aspect of what you see. In addition to basic things like color and positioning, you can add in nudges that trigger after certain conditions are met. And within the card editor, we're able to choose which cues we're targeting, add in things like images, and play around with positioning, fonts, and text sizing, anything else you can think of in terms of how you'd like to customize the widget.